Joey Gutter Rat Loser Low Life Sneeze. Bro, you are so pathetic. It ain't even funny with you, bro. You pathetic. You are a nobody. You can't even stay off YouTube for a whole day. Loser. God, you have nothing in your life. You have no friends, no nothing. You live in a hotel room. Talking about that ain't your place. That's some another rundown hotel that you have to live in for a couple of days. Bro, you are so pathetic. You're the only person I ever seen in my life show off $1 bills. $1 bills. Oh, but the other day, boy, you was counting like no tomorrow, because you know why you wasn't counting this time? Loser. Because probably got like $15 in there, because I seen look like some goddamn paper. Probably some freaking newspaper or something you cut out. You know your butt don't got no money. You're a loser. Talking about you ain't gonna listen to this. You know why? Because you're sorry, pathetic self talking all that big trash. I want you done with YouTube. YouTube's a joke. You done. I'm done. Hey, idiot. You never left YouTube doing those stupid Fight Club interviews. Well, you trying to act like you rapping or something over other people's beats. Man, bro, you are pathetic. Bro, you can't even. Are you that dumb? Are you trying to psych us out? Because I don't think nobody could be that dumb to say they hate YouTube, they never go on it, but then have your little radio gimmicky crap you call Fight Club, and then you come back the next day and be on it talking about YouTube is a joke. YouTube is a joke. No, you are the joke. We all laugh at you. And stop saying, y'all, you keep saying we about that clown stuff. You don't have nobody in your life. You are a pathetic loser. Losers don't have people in their life. You keep on talking about the president. The president this, no. You sucking the president's balls because you know he was the only probably person that really talked to your sorry self. That's the only thing you know how to do is just run your mouth and can't do nothing about it. Can't fight. Can't terribly rap. You can't rap. I have never seen somebody so awful in my life that think they can rap. I have never seen that in my life. Usually, people that can't dance, they laugh at themselves like, man, I can dance, but they know they can't. But you think you can rap and you know you can't, so you just keep going more because you have nobody in your life to tell you that you are a sorry excuse for a freaking rapper. Sorry excuse. Bro, you are terrible, man. Terrible. I've never, in my 39 years on this earth, I've never seen somebody more pathetic than you are. You don't even have the sense to even be a man a little bit and stay off YouTube for a couple of days at least. Show your punk butt got manhood. You don't even got no manhood, man. You're just a pussy, man. You're a pathetic pussy. That's what you are. You're a loser. You think you got a career bringing up labor ready. You think you know life and Messiah. But you are Messiah. The Messiah of losers. They need a good leader, and you they leader. You the Messiah of losers. You're like, please, all my losers, come with me. I will lead you to the promised land. Soon as I pay my 2 days hotel. to pay for my 2 days of hotel stay. I will be there to guide y'all to the promised land. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? I will be here to guide my people. My people will guide me. My people is going to be there so I can guide them to how to be a good loser. You know, how to be a good loser. I'm the Messiah of losers. First, you got to learn how to lie and tell people you got cars, and you got to say whips. Luxury whips, as you call them. You know, guys, you got to say it like that, okay? If y'all want to be a good loser, a good loser like me, you got to know how to lie good. You know, because I'm the Messiah of losers. Losers need to come to me to figure out how to be the ultimate loser. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Second, I got to act like I get money. I got to act like I make money. Even though I'm the only person in this world that shows off ones. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? So that's the Messiah you are. You're the Messiah of bullcrap. Never met nobody worse than you, bro. You can always have that for yourself. You are the best loser on this planet. Not even close, bro. Not even remotely close. So you can take that in stride, you know? Tell people you're the best loser that ever walked this earth. You know? You could be like, hey, I'm the best loser you ever seen or heard in your life. Your life. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? I am dumb as a bag of bricks. I have never in my life heard somebody say, I can't fight because I got a case, but I'm going to tell people I'm a murderer. I got bodies. I catch bodies. I just kill you. So I guess you allowed to murder people. You can murder people, but if somebody else touch you, you go to jail. Or no. Sorry. In your words, you can't fight nobody because you got a case. So I guess when you take L's, that's the reason why you couldn't fight back, because you go to jail or because you got a case. I never heard of a sissiest excuse for being a punk in my life than that. I have never heard a sorrier excuse than that. I can't fight back because I have a case. So that's why you a sissy. That's why you a little punk, loser. Wow, bro. You are a big punk, man. You was a sissy, bro. You can't fight, can't rap, can't talk, can't get women. You don't get no women. No woman want no dude that got a father that like molesting little boys. Cause you know what, you dislike your faggot father molesting little boys. What's wrong with you, man? That's a creepy, but a creepy family. Get off on lying to people. God dang it. And stop showing your little wad of waitress money. Nobody care about your $1 bills. You're the only person I know that brags about having $1 bills. And then when you really feel yourself, you be like, yeah, you ain't out here making money. You ain't out here making money like me. Bro, let me key you on another stupid thing you say. You do not make real money. Working at Labor Ready is not a real job. It's not a career, as you say. You know what I mean? As you say, you got a career. Bro, you work at Labor Ready. Labor Ready. Let me say it again. Labor ready. That's where you work at, Buttercup. You a labor ready loser. A labor ready loser. Hey, what Tyree do for a living? Oh, he a bull crapper? Where he work at? Oh, his career, you mean? Oh, he work at labor ready, where you get paid every day. And stop saying you're getting checks. You probably is getting checks from the government. You know, probably getting Social Security for being dumb. You know what? They probably giving you Social Security for your rapping skills. You know, only dude I get. I'm getting Social Security for your rapping. The government said we'd pay you anything you want. Stop rapping. Stop rapping. The government said, holy crap, this dude needs to be getting paid Social Security because he is terrible. He is terrible. He is terrible. And we need to get that boy Social Security for that rapping. That rapping he do. They said, the government was like, why haven't we put this man on Social Security yet? You hear that awful mumbling he do? It's called rap. Get that boy on Social Security right now. Right now. Fake googly moogly, he's terrible. Bro, man, you make it too easy, bro. You making it just too easy, man. Bro, I just never heard nobody rap so terrible, but believes he's so good. You know, that'd be like Jamarcus Russell telling everybody they delusional and he's just as good as Tom Brady. Y'all just hating. Y'all just hating because I threw 90 interceptions. That's all. Y'all just hating that I do. I can throw the ball. I can throw a ball now, but I only have like 10 touchdowns in 3 years. My line didn't block. That's why I ain't like Tom Brady, because my line ain't blocking. You know what I mean? I'll tell you right now, bro. You missing a golden opportunity to get Social Security for your terrible rapping. Oh, man. And once again, man, don't nobody care about you, man. You are alone. You are by yourself for a reason. Because you are a loser that don't deserve nobody. You are just a loser, bro. That's why when you say you leaving YouTube, we laugh at you because you a joke, bro. You never leave because this is the only thing you got in your life. This is the only thing you got in your life. It's YouTube. That's all. So I don't know why you can't get that through your disgusting looking bald head, man. I don't get it. And stop showing that disgusting hotel room. God dang it. Hotel room look like one of those hotels that be on one of those scary movies that like Wrong Turn or something. That people be like, man, I ain't checking in that hotel. You checking that hotel, you ain't checking out. But you call it a mansion. That's all. So that's what you mean when you say you have a mansion close to Mexico. I get it now. I get it. Your hotel rooms are close to New Mexico. Yeah, I get it now. Sneeze. I get it now, gutter rat. That's what you mean. Your hotel rooms is close to Mexico. I get it. Hey, we are all the fools. You know what I mean? Wow, that is right, buddy. Don't worry about it. We get it now. And the 5 whips you talking about? Now I realize what you're talking about. 5 whips is the 5 times you probably call Uber or caught a taxi cab. That's what you meant by 5 luxury whips. Yeah, I get it now, buddy. Don't you worry. It never happened again. You hear me? You do got 5 whips. You do. I'm gonna tell everybody. Like, y'all better stop saying that, because he do have his luxury or his luxury stuff. Don't worry, loser. I will let everybody know that you got everything you say you got. So don't worry, okay, loser? Do not worry. Gutter rat. You're a good one, bro. You're a great gutter rat. Don't worry about it. Leave.